Welcome back to our IT asset management series. In today's episode, we are focusing on a game changing element of modern item integration and automation. When asset management operates in silos, it leads to duplicate data, slow workflows, and costly mistakes. But when integrated with other systems and automated correctly, item becomes seamless, efficient, and incredibly accurate. Let's break this down into four key areas. Integration with other ServiceNow modules. Item doesn't work alone, it thrives when connected to the other ServiceNow modules. Integration with ITSM allows incident, problem, and change records to be tied directly to asset data. When a laptop goes down, you know exactly who owns it, when it was delivered services, and if it's still under warranty. With procurement, you can trigger POs automatically based on approved request and ensure received assets are accurately logged. Trying in with finance gives you access to cost centers, depreciation schedules, and budgeting forecasts, keeping both IT and accounting on the same page. Lastly, integration with the security operations enable real-time response to vulnerabilities or breaches based on asset roles and risk levels. This interconnect ecosystem eliminates information gaps and boosts collaboration across departments. So let's look into the one of the example into integration with the ITSM on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if we open the incidents, and check for any which is in progress. Let's look into the query related to the laptop. Like if open to different incidents like this one, this is specifically related to the laptop issue. Yeah, need to add more memory to my laptop. So you can see that this is the incident, and the caller of incident is this user. And if we want to check that in for which laptop he needs the more memory, then you can see that this is the configuration item, and here is the item for which he needs more memory. Like if we open this racket, then this shows that this is the name of that CI, and this is the asset. So in this way, the assets and CIs are linked with incidents, and we can integrate the item with the ITSM. So this is the simple example to understand that how these are interlinked with each other. Automation of full asset life cycle. Now let's talk automation. Manual tracking of asset life cycle is slow and error prone. With automation, every stage becomes smoother. During onboarding, employees are automatically provisioned with the right devices, licenses, and access based on their role and department. In the deployment phase, shipping, installation, and configuration can be tracked with no manual entries. When an asset reaches end of life, the retirement process is auto initiated with disposal checklist and compliance steps. And during the refresh cycle, older devices are flagged automatically for replacement based on usage patterns or age. This means fewer bottlenecks, better compliance, and happier user. Real-time data sync between SAM, HAM, CMDB. ServiceNow's real strength lies in syncing data across software asset management, hardware asset management, and CMDB in real time. You got unified records so an asset is not duplicated in multiple tables. Any changes in SAM or HAM like licenses updates or hardware swaps are instantly reflected in the CMDB. Conflict detection flags discrepancies like an asset assigned to two users are mismatch ownership. And through CI alignment, asset data supports accurate service mapping, compliance reporting, and risk analysis. Real time sync is not just a convenience, it's critical for maintaining accuracy and trust in your data. Improve accuracy and reduce manual errors. Finally, automation helps eliminate one of item's biggest enemies, manual error. Auto rules can standardize asset naming, categorize items based on attributes, and enforce validation before record creation. Approval chains can be automated to notify managers, budget holders, and procurement in the right sequence without delays. Using data templates, fields are pre-filled based on type, saving type, and ensuring consistency. All of this dramatically reduces the human error factor while improving reliability across your asset process. You not only save time, you build systems that scale efficiently with your organization. Let's wrap up what we covered today. First, we saw how integration with ITSM, procurement, finance, and security ops creates a connected environment for ITEM. Then we walked through the automation of the full asset lifecycle from onboarding to retirement. We explored real-time data sync between SAM, HAM, and the CMDB to maintain consistency and control. And finally, we covered how automation reduces manual errors, improve accuracy, and scales your process effortlessly. Integration and automation are the twin engines of modern ITAM, making your system smarter, faster, and more reliable. In our next session, ITAM Maturity Roadmap, we will explore how to assess where your ITAM practice stands today and how to build roadmap toward a fully mature strategic asset management function. Thanks for joining and I will see you in the next one.